This is Kalani. We are Team Magma. From fundraisers to workshops, we continue to advocate education throughout the community using science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics, also known as STEAM.
8 years ago, our alumni founded ImagineWorks LLC. This nonprofit organization's mission is to make STEAM and robotics education accessible to all youth regardless of differences. In addition, ImagineWorks provides support for existing programs within the community. Currently, one of ImagineWorks' most successful projects is the Make-Mobile.
This retrofitted trailer contains multiple 3D printers and CNC laser cutters. This trailer is self-sustainable with the usage of solar panels and saltwater rechargeable batteries. Student-developed projects are then distributed at various outreach events in order to bring more awareness and to continue supporting for our cause. We plan to further expand our Make-Mobile and to bring it closer to being able to go to schools across the island. Specifically, we want to buy a large format printer, 3 mini Lulzbot 3D printers, and various filaments and materials for the Make-Mobile. This will allow us to promote making and provide participants with something memorable and be able to train and allow students to print models quickly.
In essence, ImagineWorks strives to educate students and the community on STEAM and to make it more accessible to the public, inspiring future generation of innovators. With the help of the Infy grant, we can get that much closer to making our dreams come true.